What is compound interest? Well, it's the interest on a loan or deposit calculated based on the initial principal and the accumulated interest from previous periods. It's basically thought of as interest on interest and will make a sum grow at a faster rate than simple interest. But what does that mean? Your bank might be different, but a simple Google search says a typical savings account interest rate is about 0.05% annual percent yield, so 0.05% a year. So if you start with $100 and you put $100 in your saving every month, over 4 years with that typical interest rate, you would have made a whopping $3.80 in interest. This is the beauty of investing in stocks and ETFs with an actual decent interest rate. If we scroll all the way down, you'll see you could have made $559.01 in interest. The only catch is that you have to keep reinvesting your interest. That's where the compound comes in.